Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u Antor News.
Angels of wisdom, angels of your minds, shaping crystals of the gold. We are so glad to welcome you. Sing a welcome song to you. We wish to give a joyful heart. A joyful heart. Celebrate what we bring us together. Bring it together. We are the one voice. We are the welcome you. We are the blooming buds who sing your blessings. The broken is tested from your grace. You are the mentors of the broken hearts. Us love to see us smile. Because great start with small beginnings. This humble wishes from our tender hearts. Blessing their future. Building a new world, making a human, unburning a flame. Masters of wisdom, angels of young minds, shaping crystals of the gold. We are so glad to welcome you. Sing a welcome song to you. We wish to give a joyful heart. A joyful heart. Celebrate what we bring us together. What we bring it together. We are the one voice. We are the welcome you. We are so glad to welcome you. Sing a welcome song to you. We wish to give a joyful heart. A joyful heart. Celebrate what we bring us together. What we bring it together. We are the one voice. We are the welcome you.
School has 4 categories: lower primary, upper primary, secondary and higher secondary. The lower primary and upper primary sections are known by other names, namely Persara RCLP School and Persara Upper Primary School, while the secondary and higher secondary sections are known as St. Mary's Higher Secondary School, MAWTHONG. Our school was established in 1984, initially offering classes from 5 to 7, and was called Persara Upper Primary School. The teachers who taught the students at that time did so voluntarily, without receiving any salary. In return, the students helped them with farming for a few days, and the villagers contributed by helping for 1 day each year. The first teachers during that period were Geronimus Nonglang, Pastor Coster Marwain, Albert Mertong, and Marius Marwain. Over the years, enrollment numbers fluctuated. The students who attended the school hailed from MAWTHONG, Mausanrap, Penlang, Ringisaulia, and nearby villages. During those years, the school was managed by the villagers for 13 years. In 1995, the executive committee met and decided to hand over the school to the church, as they observed that schools run by Catholic priests developed more rapidly than others. The reason for transferring the school to the Catholic Church was to improve the well-being of the people living in the area. In the same year, the school was handed over to the Nativity Parish with Father Luke as the parish priest, who then became the new secretary of the school. From that time onward, the school began to develop rapidly year by year. In 2006, the village church established the lower primary school in collaboration with the secretary, Father Anselm Nonglang, and obtained his agreement to help pay the honorarium for 2 teachers at 500 per month. This lower primary school was named Persara RCLP School, Mawthong. At that time, lower primary classes were held in the morning from 6 a.m. to 9 a.m., while the upper primary, called the day school, held classes from 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. In 2014, the lower primary school shifted from morning to day school. On March 3rd, 2013, with the blessing of our Heavenly Father, the Mawthong Catholic Church established the parish under the leadership of the Most Reverend Bishop Victor Lingdo. After 1 year of establishing the parish, the St. Mary's Secondary School was established on 15 February 2014 with the 9th standard and was upgraded to the 10th standard in 2015. In 2016, the first batch appeared for the matriculation examination with 11 students. Although we did not achieve 100% pass rate that year, the next batch in 2017 and 2018 achieved 100% pass rate. From 2019 to 2023, we did not achieve 100% pass rate due to the disruption caused by COVID-19. However, in 2024, we achieved 100% pass rate, and we hope to continue this success in the coming years. In 2024, our school was upgraded from secondary to higher secondary school. The first batch of class 11 has 25 students, and the second batch has 39 students. We are excited and looking forward to having our first batch of students appear for the HSSLC examination with 100% pass rate. St. Mary's Higher Secondary School, Mawthong, is located in the remote interior area of Mawthong village with 535 students and 18 teachers plus 1 principal, 1 vice principal, 1 assistant father, 1 driver, and 1 clerk. All these individuals help the school and students to stay strong and make the school and its students successful. Although we have this much, the treasure of the future, our school works through difficulties to help students succeed, mainly because of a lack of support from the government. Until now, our school has received help from the government for only 4 teachers from the upper primary school, and the rest are managed by the school itself. Therefore, we urge the government to address this matter so that we can build a society and make a future brighter in the days to come. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. We gather together here today on this opening ceremony of the second school week 2025 of St. Mary's Higher Secondary School, Mawthong. We thank God for He is with us today, and He has given us good weather and bright sunshine like this, and He has showered His abundant blessings and graces to our school, our teachers, our students, and to each one of us present here today. And as we have heard just now, from the history of our school, beginning from 1984 and up to date is reaching to higher secondary school, and I really thank God for He has given this great opportunity to our parish, to our school, to develop more and more, especially to help the students to come and study here in our school. That's why last year we are able to start 10+2 with 25 students of first batch of class 11 last year, and this year we have second batch of class 11, 39 of them. And this St. Mary's Higher Secondary School MAWTHONG will help to serve the children of this area, of this village, and of these nearby villages. And that's why we start with a very low school fees for 11 and 12. Just imagine 6,000, including with the blazer, the school fees of class 11 and class 12. 6,000 per year, the school fees of class 11 and class 12, including with the blazer as they wear. Therefore, our St. Mary's Higher Secondary School MAWTHONG will serve and will give and render a great service to this area and to these nearby villages, to give good education, to all the children and all the students who come to study in this school. That's why I really thank God for giving this great, the first batch of class 12 who will appear for the public exam, will bring a good result and 100% pass class 12 result on this coming exam. I wish all the best for the class 12 students. Therefore, now I stand here on this opening ceremony of our School Week 2020. The words of welcome, and first of all, I welcome our dear and beloved Sir Commander Champion to be the chief guest of this opening ceremony of our second School Week 2025 of our school, St. Mary's Higher Secondary School MAWTHONG. Let's give a big clap of hands for welcoming our dear and beloved chief guest to our School Week today. Welcome, sir, to our School Week. And I welcome all his friends who come together with him on this second School Week 2025 of our school today. Dear Sir Commander Champion, in spite of your heavy and busy schedules, and in spite of a very urgent invitation, yet you have accepted and have consented to come to our parish and to our school today. And I think it is the first time for our dear beloved chief guest to visit our school today. He had come the years before in the program of our youth, but to visit our school today is the first time for him. Therefore, deep on my heart, I really welcome you, sir, to our school on this special occasion, on this opening ceremony of our second School Week 2025 of our school. And our school still lacks many things, as we have heard from the teacher who read the history of the school, our school still lack many things, and especially many of our teachers still we pay salary for them from the school fees of the students itself. That's why still very low the salary of our teachers, and still many things need to develop in our school. For example, we need some more classrooms, and we need also science lab. We need also computers, because now is a world of computer, a world of internet, and world of media. Therefore, our school still lack of all of this media and internet, and we don't have computer yet in the school. That's why I try my best to get help from here and there in order to get computer in our school, so that our students should get a chance to study computer, to learn computer, and to go deeper in the science lab also. That's why our school still need many things in order to improve our school and to bring development. Great joy, great happiness to our teachers, to our students, and will bring encouragement to all our teachers and to our students. Therefore, dear Sir Commander Champion, we assure our prayers for you and for your endeavors, for your works, and may God be with you always, and bless you and bless your family also. I welcome also our varied Listalan Assembly, who play a great role to our parish, and have played a great role to our school. And it is through varied Listalan that we are able to have our dearest chief guest today on this opening ceremony, and through his great pain that he was able to get Sir Commander Champion to be the chief guest of this opening ceremony of our school week 2025 today. I welcome Father Domitius Lindo to this school week 2025. I welcome to all the members, if they are here, to our second school week 2025. And I welcome to all our dear teachers to this second school week 2025. And you will play a great role in organizing various items in this school week 2025. And I really appreciate your great initiative and your hard work to organize various items on this school week. And some items will be done already last Friday, and yesterday we began with the football match, the senior boys and girls, junior boys and girls, and basketball for junior boys and girls, and for senior boys. Yesterday we began, and the other items will have on this whole week. Therefore, I really appreciate to all of you, my dear teachers, for your great initiative and your hard work to organize the various items on this school week 2025. And I welcome to all of you, my dear students, to the second school week 2025. Why it is second school week this year, 2025? Because we began last year, 2024, the first school week of our school, St. Mary's Higher School, MAWTHONG. And this year is a second school week, 2025. And this school week will help all of you, my dear students, to dig out and discover your inner hidden talents and to develop your talents. Those who are good in dancing, dance nicely. Those who are good in singing, sing nicely. And those who are good in different items, do well. And you will improve a lot. And this will help you to come up in your life, in your future life. So once again, I welcome to all of you to this second school week 2025. God bless you all. Thank you. Thank you, one and all.
Thank you so much, class 11 student. Then she performed.
Respected Father, who is the parish priest here, the assistant parish priest, all the teachers, students, my friend, it is indeed a great pleasure for me to having been invited to be part of this second school sports meet here in MAWTHONG village. I am nothing, I'm just an ordinary person. Of course, my name is Commander Shankar. I belong from this area. I'm from Nonglinkin village. I am, of course, a rural village boy. I am, of course, just like you, the other students who are studying here right now. I am, of course, coming from a very, very hard-driven family that I had to support the education by myself. By saying that, I am not undermining my parents. I wanted you all, the students, to learn that, yes, in this world you have a challenge. But all the challenges, it's not that you will not overcome. I want you, the student, to understand and to believe that there is no challenges that one cannot overcome. But of course, you should have your determination and hard work. I am very thankful, and of course, I am glad that in terms of the education, had it been just with the government, we would not have learned the ABK, ABC. What I mean to say is that the church play a very, very vital role in education. Education is very important for the personal growth. Education is very important for the future. Education is one that should learn so that you will be able to face of any challenges. You might have said that, you student, I won't study because, or maybe it's difficult even to find a job. What I am saying, without education, you will not be able to develop your mental well-being. Without education, you will not be able to face one. Without education, you will not be able to become a good farmer. Without education, you will not be able to become a good driver. Without education, you will not be able to communicate with the other people. So education is very important. I want to tell you all the students, you might say that I have come from a very, let's say, poor family. You might say that, no, I will not be able to become a doctor. my parent will not be able to support me for my education. That is totally wrong. You might say that because I'm from a very poor family, my father will not be able to support me. I will not become engineer. No, that's wrong. But you should have your determination. You should have the strong will. You should be able to study hard, work hard. Nowadays, I will tell you, the children, suppose you want to become a doctor, or suppose you want to become an engineer, suppose you want to become an IAS officer, you should know what my studies should be and how should I appear for my entrance exam. For example, of course, you do not have the science stream, I believe, here. But still, if you want to become a doctor, you have to be in science stream. After you pass your 12th, then you have to appear for the NEET exam. After you completed or you are done with the NEET exam, and suppose you see children now, when I'm saying that, you have to, even the career also is very important for you. Like how you should know, like suppose you want to become somebody. You need someone who will guide you. And there are teachers whom we treated them as the second parent. They should be able to guide you. Suppose now you want to become, I have said, if you want to become an engineer, I mean the doctor. Of course you have to do coaching, and then your target should be, I should be in top 100 in the entrance exam. And your parent says that, no, we do not have money to support you. Then what should be your option? There is an education loan for you, so that you will be able to pursue your career to be a doctor. I've given you an example just for doctor. Similarly, if you want to become an engineer, but of course, the entrance exam is totally different, like JEE in case of the engineering. But now, suppose if you have appeared or you tried to clear the NEET and JEE, you are not able, then how can you become a doctor? How can you become an engineer? And then if you didn't really study, work hard, then you will not be able to reach the goal. So what I am saying, don't tell that I am from a very poor family, I will not become a doctor or an engineer. I will tell you all the children here, the world leader, the leader of our country, they are not from a very rich family. They have come from a middle class family. Even the greatest leader of the world, Barack Obama, he has to struggle. And yes, he became the President of the United States. Our Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Modi, we all know that he is helping his father in a tea shop, in selling tea shop in a train station, though he became the Prime Minister of India. What stopped you all the children to become one? What stopped you the children to become the minister, the chief minister of Meghalaya? Who stopped you to become a doctor, an engineer? But of course, with your hard work, determination, then you will become one. I think it's time for the school also to conduct some career guidance. We should bring some expert who will tell the children. And of course, I want to request you, the teacher, you should ask each and every student, what do you really want to become? You have come to study here. Do you really want to become someone? It's fine if they want to become a farmer. It's fine if they want to become a carpenter. It's fine if they want to become a driver. But one should have that goal. Then only they will study. Then only they will work hard. Otherwise, if you have just come to school without your goal in life, what you want to become, what you want to be in life, then you will not really work hard. So it is very important to ask a question to all the students, what you really want to become. And yes, we have to accordingly guide them. Today, the school has organized this sports meet. The sport is also part of the, it will help in developing the physical health, the physical fitness. It will help for the mental well-being. Sport is very, very important for you. And I believe the school, they must have, have a series of programs, series of sports to be, for you to be participate in this, the whole week. And one more thing, children, sports do help you in following to be a disciplined person, a disciplined student. Sport brings teamwork. And sports, it is also for the leadership. In sport, without teamwork, you will not be able to succeed. In any game of sport, be it football, be it anything, except for the, maybe individual race, then it's for you to develop, it's for you to develop that leadership skill. Otherwise, in most of the sport, we do need teamwork. So you have, and you will learn the teamwork during this school sports meet. I have heard whatever father and the other teacher mentioned some of the needs in the school. As I have said, I'm just an ordinary person, I'm nothing. However, I can also connect to the people in the government. Fortunately or unfortunately, the commissioner and also I'm ready to accompany further for you, or even getting you an appointment. I'm not saying that I can do, but let's try. Whatever your requirement, I can connect with you to the Commissioner and Secretary of Education. I can connect to the Secretary, both of them. They are my friend. So hopefully we can connect with them. I'm not saying that whether he can do or not, but let's try. Let's try. Whatever your needs, requirement, let's connect, let's meet, talk to them, speak to them, and let's see what they can do. And for me, I will always be with you. I feel like this is my own school or my own campus. I have been here last time during the, when there is the youth program here. I have been here, and I will continue to be with you together. And education is deep down in my heart that I really want these children of this area to be at least treated as, educated person. Because one, if you are educated, then you will be able to face the challenges of this world, the challenges in your life. You will be able to decide the future. Once again, I am thankful to the management of this school. I know you have contributed so much for the well-being, for education of this area. I pray to God that He will show you a wisdom so that you will be able to deliver and to lead this area, to be able these children to become someone in future. And I know, and I request also, the people of this area to work together with the school in building the future of these children. I know the teacher, as I have mentioned earlier, you are, so to say, the second parent. You have a very important role to play. Guide them properly. I am also ready to be one who can just connect and guide these children. Like education, they have a lots of scope. There are some children who really doesn't know what's their future of studies. If they are good in something, then they are not able to understand what should I pursue my career. For example, now, if you are a coder, so for you, the children, from today, you should keep in mind, from today, you should take a decision, a resolution for yourself, that from today, I should study hard, especially to the first batch of the class 12 student. Please, do work hard, and I will surely come back to wish you and to celebrate along with the school for your success. But that will come for your hard work only. Once again, I'm thankful to the school, the management and everyone for having invited me. I will continue to be with you, and we will continue to work together in the near future. Once again, thank you. Thank you very much.
As the flag is unfurled high, let us all join our voices and sing our school anthem with pride and respect.
Now we'll get a drill display from students. I request all the students, those who take part in the march drill, please.
It's just me and you, baby.
Sami and Sir Parding for giving me this opportunity to present a vote of thanks on behalf of our school. Let me first of all start by giving glory to the Almighty God for making today's occasion a resounding success. First and foremost, I would like to thank our special guest, Sir Commander Shankliang, who despite his busy schedule has found time to grace this occasion.
Hello Meghalaya turns 1!
1 year ago, a small idea sparked a dream which materialized in the form of a screen, an OTT platform to tell stories from the heart of Meghalaya to the world, with over 3.8 lakh downloads and over 1.1 crore views. From indie creators to first-time filmmakers, Hello Meghalaya gave voices a home, a stage and a spotlight. And you, the viewers, made it all possible. 1 year down, 1,000 stories to go. Here's to more laughter, more culture, more Meghalaya.
We love Hello Meghalaya!